Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we talk about all the things online business and passive income. If you've ever dreamed of making money through Pinterest, you're in the right place today. I'm going to be sharing with you Pinterest affiliate marketing hacks for beginners that will help you earn passive income, even if you're completely new to this space. Make sure to watch until the end because it's one of the easiest and most profitable digital products I've ever seen. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that we can help you with making money online regularly. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Pinterest affiliate marketing is, how to get started, and the top hacks to boost your income without creating your own products. Let's jump right in. Selling on Pinterest has become an attractive option for many businesses and individuals due to the platform's unique combination of visual appeal, discovery-based shopping, and a highly engaged user base. Here are some of the reasons why you might want to sell on Pinterest and insights into how much money people are making. Pinterest is a highly visual platform, making it ideal for showcasing products. Users often come to Pinterest to find inspiration for their next purchase, whether it's home decor, fashion, recipes, or do-it-yourself projects. If your product is visually appealing, Pinterest can be a great way to attract customers. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest users are often in a discovery and planning mindset. They are actively searching for ideas, which means that they're more open to discovering new products and brands. This makes Pinterest an excellent platform for introducing new products and driving sales. Pinterest often has a higher conversion rate compared to other social media platforms. According to studies, Pinterest drives 33% more referral traffic to shopping sites than Facebook and 71% more than Snapchat. The platform's users are more likely to make a purchase after discovering a product on Pinterest. Unlike posts on other social media platforms that quickly lose visibility, Pinterest pins can resurface and gain traction months or even years after they were first posted. This means your content can continue to drive traffic and sales long after it was initially shared. Pinterest has a diverse and engaged user base with over 450 million monthly active users as of 2023. These users are often in a purchasing mindset, and a significant percentage of them have a high disposable income. This makes Pinterest a valuable platform for targeting affluent customers. Pinterest has integrated shopping features such as product pins, buyable pins, and the Shop tab, which allows users to purchase products directly from the platform. This seamless shopping experience can lead to higher sales and conversions. The amount of money people make on Pinterest varies widely based on several factors, including the type of products they sell, the effectiveness of their marketing strategy, and the size of their audience. Many small businesses and individuals earn a few hundred to a few $1,000s per month by selling products or promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. These earnings can grow over time with increased followers and better marketing strategies. Some brands report making tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars annually from Pinterest. These brands typically invest in high-quality pins, engage actively with their audience, and optimize their content for search and discovery on the platform. Affiliate marketers on Pinterest can earn commissions ranging from a few dollars to several $1,000s per month, depending on the product that they promote and their audience size. Successful affiliate marketers often focus on niches like fashion, home decor, and beauty, which are popular on Pinterest. Pinterest also has a creator rewards program where content creators can earn money directly from Pinterest by participating in challenges and creating engaging content. Earnings from this program can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month, depending on the creator's activity and engagement levels. Pinterest offers significant potential for generating income, especially if you can tap into the platform's visual and discovery-driven nature. Earnings can range from modest-sized income to substantial revenue depending on the effort and the strategy that you put into it. My favorite is Pinterest affiliate marketing. But before we get into it, what is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Essentially, it's using Pinterest to promote products through affiliate links. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Pinterest works great for affiliate marketing because it's a visual search engine, and users come here to discover products and ideas. And here's the best part. You don't need a massive following to start making money. Pinterest is designed to help content go viral based on keywords and search intent, so even beginners can see traction early on. Before you start pinning like crazy, you need to focus on the right affiliate niche. The most successful Pinterest affiliate marketers choose a niche that is popular on Pinterest and visually appealing. For example, if you love home decor, you could create boards featuring the latest furniture trends and interior design ideas, while including affiliate links to promote products that you're promoting. If you're passionate about fitness, focus on workout routines, supplements, or gear. The key is to choose something that you enjoy so that you can consistently create engaging content. I'm going to share with you some popular top-selling niches and items to pick from. The first one is home decor and furniture. Some popular items are wall art, throw pillows, rugs, lighting, furniture, and do-it-yourself home improvement products. Number 2 is fashion and accessories. Popular items include clothing, shoes, handbags, jewelry, scarves, and watches. Curated collections or seasonal lookbooks can perform particularly well. Number 3 is beauty products. Things like skincare, makeup, hair care products, beauty tools, and organic or natural beauty products are trending on Pinterest. Number 4, health and wellness. Think yoga mats, fitness equipment, supplements, healthy snacks, and wellness kits. Number 5 is do-it-yourself and craft supplies. Popular items include craft kits, knitting supplies, fabrics, paints, and tools for do-it-yourself projects. Number 6, huge one, printable products. Popular items include planners, calendars, wedding invitations, wall art, and educational worksheets. Number 7 is food and drink. Popular items in this category include specialty food items, cooking tools, recipe books, meal kits, and gourmet gift baskets. Number 8 is wedding and event planning. Popular items in this category include wedding decor, bridal accessories, invitations, event planning services, and party supplies. Next is children products. Popular items include toys, children's clothing, nursery decor, educational games, and personalized items for kids. Number 10 is hobbies and niche interests. Popular items here include gardening tools, pet accessories, photography gear, travel accessories, and collectibles. Number 11 is eco-friendly and sustainable products, with popular items including reusable bags, bamboo products, organic clothing, eco-friendly cleaning supplies, and sustainable home goods. And last on the list, but super popular, is seasonal and holiday items. Popular items include Christmas decorations, Halloween costumes, Easter crafts, and any seasonal gift. To maximize your success on Pinterest, focus on creating high-quality, visually appealing images and descriptions that resonate with the platform's user base. Use rich pins, keywords, and hashtags to improve your visibility, and consider promoting your pins to reach a broader audience. To get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you'll need to set up a Pinterest business account. And why? Because a business account gives you access to important analytics and tools like Pinterest ads and rich pins, which can help increase your reach and conversions. Go to business.pinterest.com and follow the steps to set up your account. Make sure to fill out your profile with keywords related to your niche like home decor expert or fitness tips and gear. This helps Pinterest understand what your content is about and makes it easier for users to find you. Now let's talk about creating high-quality pins that drive traffic to your affiliate links. Your pins need to be visually appealing and click-worthy because Pinterest is a visual platform and great design is essential for getting noticed. Use tools like Canva to design pins that are vertical and stand out in the feed. Make sure to use bright, high-quality images and bold text overlays that clearly convey the message. For example, if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, you might create a pin that says, "Top 5 must-have kitchen gadgets for the year you're in," with a stunning image of a modern kitchen. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization, for Pinterest. To ensure that your pins get discovered by the right people, you need to use keywords that are relevant to your niche. Think of Pinterest as a search engine. not just a social platform. When you're creating your pins, make sure to add keywords in your pin title, description, and board names. For example, if you're promoting home office furniture, you'll want to use keywords like home office setup, ergonomic desk chairs, or work from home decor. Here's an important decision that you'll need to make. Should you use direct affiliate links or link to a blog post with your affiliate content? Both methods can work, but they serve different purposes. With direct links, you send users straight to the product page, which can lead to faster conversions. However, some affiliate programs don't allow direct linking, so make sure to check the rules. Linking to a blog post, on the other hand, allows you to provide more context, reviews, or tutorials before presenting your affiliate products, which can build trust and increase conversions. Consistency is key when it comes to Pinterest affiliate marketing, and one of the best ways to stay consistent is by using a scheduling tool like Tailwind. With Tailwind, you can schedule your pins to go live at optimal times throughout the day, which helps keep your content fresh and in front of users. Pinterest favors accounts that pin regularly, so aiming to pin between 5 and 10 times a day is the right way. You don't have to create new content for every pin. Re-pinning your own content and pinning relevant content from others can also help boost your visibility. Once your pins are live, it's time to analyze your results. Pinterest business accounts give you access to Pinterest Analytics, where you can track which pins are getting the most impression, clicks, and saves. Use this data to refine your strategy and double down on what's working and tweak what's not. Look for patterns. Are certain colors, pin designs, or keywords performing better than others? Use this insight to create more of what your audience wants. As you scale up, you can even reinvest your earnings into Pinterest ads to promote your top performing pins and grow your affiliate income even faster. And there you have it. Those are my top Pinterest affiliate marketing hacks for beginners. I will see you on the next video.